Hello, my lovelies. I have something so special to share with you today. Happy mail, but not just any happy mail. This is a beautiful dress that was made to measure, custom made for me. It is Edwardian. Hey, Dale. And I am excited to show it to you. So I have 4 seamstresses that I work with for my made to measure clothes. 2 of them are in Asia and 2 of them are in Ukraine. This particular seamstress is from Ukraine. So I've been waiting for this particular dress, which is a modern take on kind of an Edwardian Victorian dress, for I think 2 months now. And I can't wait to see it. So most of my made-to-measure clothes are in sustainable fabrics. I particularly like wearing linen. I like linen for so many reasons. Of course, it wrinkles very easily. This is actually made out of cotton, so this should maybe have a little less wrinkles than my typical linen stuff. I did not think about this before the box. Part of the box just falling apart. Hey, Nicole. All right, so this is the bag inside the box. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So there's a little brooch that she included in green. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. And this is a floor length gown. This would be technically closer to a walking dress. So this would be something that you would actually go to the park, because Victorians in the middle and upper class really felt that walking every single day was important. They did that both for social reasons and connections in terms of enhancing the husband's business, since typically, unless the woman was a dressmaker, she did not have a business outside of the home. But it's got a beautiful pattern on it. The sleeves have a lace cuff, and it's got this really pretty fabric. Now, a lot of dresses that were made during the Victorian era were made in such a way that the woman could not actually easily, if at all, get them on by herself. And this is one of those types of dresses that essentially is a little tough to get on, because this is the back and there's buttons, and that would have been a very typical way to get into a dress if it wasn't actually just full-on laced. Then the other way that they often would close their garments was pins. So there was actually straight pins, and if you were to grab a lady for a hug, which would be highly uncommon in public, but if you were, you could actually get stuck by her clothing. So I'm super excited to try this on. And one of the things it has at the bottom is another contrasting green. Green is one of my favorite colors. I don't actually have a single favorite color, never have. I like color, but I also like neutral. So I like things that are black. I like creams. I just like it. I like it all. I like the big crayon box. Who's with me? The big crayon box, all the colors. So I'm going to go try this on. And if you are following my channel, please follow my channel. You will see a video with me dressed in the dress later. Hey, Bo. Hey, musical witch. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Cast any spells lately? Just curious. So I'm not going to wear it with a pin, which was just like a little extra that she gave. And instead, we're going to wear the whole shebang. And I don't know if I can put my finger on my hoop skirt, but if I can, I'll wear it with that. If not, I'm just going to wear it as is. So guys, check me out later, like and subscribe, and you will see this on me shortly. Bye guys.